Hi, I'm Ed Phillips. I'd like to take a minute of your time to talk about SCORE, the nonprofit consulting arm of the Small Business Administration dedicated to helping the Greater Phoenix small business community succeed. SCORE has helped many local entrepreneurs start up, grow, and increase profitability. Here's how you too can benefit from SCORE. We hold over 100 in-person expert workshops yearly, like the one you're at right now. That's about 2 a week. We bring in experts from various fields for an in-person, in-depth discussion of a topic of great interest to many business people. Workshop participants give us high marks for relevant, helpful, and interesting presentations. Our online library contains articles and other resources that are aimed at helping small business owners solve problems and make more money. Visit our website at greaterphoenix.score.org. SCORE hosts regular business forum gatherings for existing businesses to network and to establish relationships that can help their businesses grow. And our most popular free SCORE mentor program brings you together with an experienced volunteer. In fact, I've used those volunteers myself. They're a business mentor who can help you get to the heart of your business, answer your questions, and help you solve your problems. A SCORE mentor can look at your business with fresh eyes, unlike people directly related to your business. Plus, a mentor has no personal agenda except to help you succeed. Last year alone, 2,019 smart business people began SCORE mentorships. They know that investing time in their business can pay big dividends now and down the road. SCORE is truly the best small business resource you'll find, so consider SCORE as a valuable addition to your tool belt. And now, let's shake the cobwebs loose, get your brains in gear for today's workshop.